Every home has a story, and this is the story of 1831 Parrots Pointe Road here in Reynolds Lake Oconee. Step inside the home and you'll be immediately captivated by the soaring ceilings, the striking wood beams, and a floor-to-ceiling fireplace that perfectly frames the magnificent lake views. One of the many highlights of this home is this fabulous kitchen. It is as spacious and functional as you'll ever find. It is equipped with every amenity that a cook or a professional chef will desire. The kitchen is open to a beautiful TV room complete with fireplace and a breakfast area. It also features a butler's pantry and a wine room. The primary suite is a serene retreat overlooking the lake and offers comfort and luxury. The second floor offers a private apartment and guest suite, while an additional space above the garage is ready to be finished to your liking. Take the elevator down to your own pub room. You've got the billiard room, you have the full bar. It is perfect for entertaining your family and friends, and step outside to your magnificent pool backyard. Step outside and you'll find a breathtaking backyard unlike anything you've seen. The lush landscape includes a charming gazebo, which is an ideal spot to unwind after a day on the lake. The terrace level also features 3 oversized guest suites with private baths. The suite takes you on a journey to the places where the settlers used to live, namely St. Louis, the Jersey Shore, and Saratoga. Set on a prime luxury lakefront property, 1831 Parrots Pointe here in Reynolds Lake Oconee is your private lakefront resort that your family will enjoy for many generations to come. Riezl Baker here with Luxury Lake Oconee Real Estate Group. Welcome home.